Personally, I came into this and I've done certain little projects or whatever on my own. Never really actually worked in the industry or had any knowledge of what we were actually going to do, right? So I've learned pretty well everything I can in terms of building, like coming as a first year student. From what I know now, as opposed to about 8 months ago, I couldn't really tell you what was going on in the house, but to see it all done, like especially these last 2 weeks, you learn quite a lot.
For myself, like the education aspect, there's a lot. So like in the 7 to 8 months that we have, you start your basic fundamentals. So you start with your easy math, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and from there next semester is boom, right into framing and doing your calculations for your roof framing and everything. And then you get the fundamentals from foundations, from the different types of foundations up to the whole roof styles and different things. So from the ground up, you get everything. So it's really good in the 7 months that we have. But right now we're doing the house reno, and this is a big help, I think, in my eyes. So realistically, you don't need any life skills coming into it, because the first few projects teach you those skills and get you the experience with the tools, and then kind of warm you up. But you can kind of play it out. Like if you're really questioning it, just come to the school, come see the teachers, come meet the faculty, and even come meet the students. We're all willing to talk about it.
For me, coming into it, I was almost a bit nervous at first, because I hadn't really worked much with power tool or in the industry at all, right? So I was assuming it's going to be some big group of guys that all know their thing like that, right? So in that sense, I was a little hesitant at first, but then you kind of see that that's not the atmosphere, and you kind of have a good group. Like, we made friends pretty quickly with most of the class, right?
Yeah.
There's all different personality types, but you get together and it works out.